Hi, today I want to show you this purification system for your countertop. It was sent to me by this brand. They sent it to me so I could show it to you. This is easily assembled. It has 2 glass carafes, stainless steel hardware, all BPA-free materials, a gasket here, nice stainless steel lid, and a very secure base. We have the stainless steel tap. The water filter that's being used here is the JFC 002 basic water pitcher filter. You can buy these one at a time or you can buy them in sets of 5 or 6. They last about 2 months or 100 gallons. This product holds 2.1 gallons of water, and the nice thing about it is you can fill it directly from your tap. The water will be filtered. You will have access to clean drinking water right here at your fingertips on your countertop. That multi-layer filter has 5 layers starting with zeolite. The second layer is tourmaline mineral balls. The third layer is high alkaline resin. The fourth layer is granular coconut activated carbon, and then that last layer is a mesh micronet. So multiple layer filtering here, which will filter out chlorine, various impurities. There's a whole list. Heavy metals, they include lead and mercury and copper. It's a nice small footprint purification system for your countertop. Now I'll show you what came in the box, and I'll show you how to quickly assemble it. Okay, here's what comes in the box. We have the natural wood bamboo lid. We have the natural bamboo waterproof base. We will assemble that. Stainless steel tap. We have a 5-layer filtration filter, the large glass kettle, and the glass inner pot. We're going to hold the handle up firmly. We're going to take a stainless steel gasket, the rounded part towards the back. We've pushed the silicone gasket all the way to the back here. Repeat for the other side. Okay, we're pushing the silicone gasket onto the tap from the inside of the bottle, and that's so that it gets nice and firm up against that glass. Next, we're going to feed the stainless steel gasket onto the tap here. You can use this little nut tightening tool to get in there. It gives you a better grip on that nut so that you can make sure that you have it nice and tight. And put the little mesh buckle screen on. I have already put water into the carafe just to make sure it doesn't leak, and it does not. Place the kettle glass on top of the stand. The next part of the process is you're going to cover this glass rim of this kettle glass so that it doesn't get chipped or broken when you place the inner pot on. You're supposed to soak this filter for about 5 minutes. After it's soaked for 5 minutes, you can go ahead and take this out, place it here in this water reservoir. Now you can fill it up. This is the perfect solution to having to buy water bottles. You'll always have access to water here on your countertop. Thank you to the brand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.